recording.
Bagay mo dalawalos mo
Okay guys, meron tayo dito dalang 1128 milk tea. Dadalhin natin to dun sa isang bubbly shop. Okay guys, papunta ngayon tayo sa bubbly shop at dadalhan natin sila ng milk tea sponsored by the 1128. So, tayo. Ay, kanina nagpalaba tayo sa bubbly shop. So, babalikan natin siya after 40 minutes. Kailangan ko muna maligo. Ngayon, ito na tayo get up natin kasi 40 minutes after, tingnan natin kung ano yung nangyari sa pinalaban natin. Tita Marie! Okay, we're back! Bubbly Sabon! Laundry shop! Pagod natin yan. Kay Ate Che, ito yung ano natin. After 40 minutes, let's check what do we have for our laundry garments. Sige, let's check it out. So ganito lang yung nangyari sa atin. Kanina nag-check tayo. Ang first step, we approach the counter. Tapos after that, we have to look for we have to weigh the clothes at least 80 kilograms per load. So after that, third step nila, we have to separate dark and lights. Fourth step, load clothes in washer, and the last is you have time to relax and wait for several minutes. The first half, 36 minutes for the washing and drying, then another 40 minutes for the dryer. We need to look for we have to transfer from a washer to dryer. So that's what happened. Then after 40 minutes, ito na yung result ng ating pinalaban. Doon ko na lang siya tutupain sa shop. Mainit-init pa. Okay, lagay lang muna natin ito dito. Tapos, tupiin natin to sa shop mamaya. Okay. Complete. Ay. Ate Che, final step. Kailangan natin bayaran. Magkano yung naging cost of service namin? 170. Wow. Tingnan mo yan. Nakatipid tayo ng, magkano ba pagka service ng ate? 200, no?
210 po.
210, oh. Pagka self-service, 170 lang for 8 kilos. Sobrang sulit nun.
40 pesos.
Sobrang sulit nung 170. Tapos Ate Che, ito ay galing sa 1128 ha. Para meron kayong drinks o kaya pauwi. Pag uwi na sana, pasalubong. Salamat po Ate Che. At saka wala tayong naiwan. Salamat. Naka-video pa ako? Yan! Very good! Sige. Okay na. Okay na lang. Okay na.